Here's the Gummy Edible Making Kit with LÄVO C. In it, you can choose the LÄVO C color of your choice. You get our large MCT oil, you get one of every flavor of gummy mix, and our 2 gray LÄVO gummy trays with droppers. And with this kit, you can make a full 4-cup batch of infused MCT oil to use in these gummy mixes. Each gummy mix only uses 6 tablespoons of infused oil max. So this oil will go a really long way. You can use it for every one of these mixes and more. Our MCT oil is vegan, keto-friendly, gluten-free, kosher, halal, BPA-free, non-hydrogenated. MCT oil is fantastic because it stays liquid at room temperature. It is suitable for medium to high cooking temperatures and contains all those healthy MCTs that are great for health and digestion. MCT oil is also fantastic in these gummy mixes because it is flavorless and odorless. So that means all you taste is the natural gummy mix itself, and you can make 64 of these gummies with the 2 gummy trays. MCT oil, the MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides. That is a big word for saying this contains healthy fats that are really good for your body, overall health. MCT oil is fantastic if you're on a keto diet or not. You can put MCT oil in your coffee. So if you make a tincture with MCT oil, you can add some to your coffee and create bulletproof coffee. Of course, you can add it to gummies, but you can also cook with MCT oil, and it's great for baking, even making cookies and brownies with. To see all of our LÄVO 2 and LÄVO C kits and our gummy maker machine, head to LÄVOoil.com in the US and LÄVOoil.ca in Canada. We have a link here on the video. We have gummy kits, brownie kits, essentials kits. We also have the kitchen sink kit. It has everything in one. And when you buy a kit or a bundle, you are actually saving money because they are already discounted.